Okay, this is me cracking my own bones and knuckles. Let's go. I crack a lot, so a lot not catching right now. I had just cracked about 20 minutes ago, but my body is so messed up that sometimes it don't take long for the pressure to build up and everything crack again. Alright, that's it.